Hello everyone, welcome to Data Engineers Academy. In this video, we are discussing about lists and list methods in Python. Lists are one of the most powerful and flexible data structures in Python, and understanding them will make you a better coder. Firstly, what is a list? A list in Python is a collection of items that are ordered, mutable, and dynamic. That means you can add, remove, and modify elements anytime. Let's take a look at an example. Here, my list equal to 1, 2, 3.4, hello, 8, 9. Here we can see different types of data. A list can able to store different types of data. And then simply printing of my list will give you a new list. Now let's talk about the amazing features that make lists so powerful in Python. Ordered collection. Lists maintain the order of elements as they are inserted. This means that when you retrieve elements, they appear in the same order you added them. Lists are mutable, which means they can be modified. Unlike tuples, list allows modifications. You can change, add, or remove elements easily. And then heterogeneous elements. Lists can store different data types in a single collection. It supports slicing and iteration. You can extract specific parts of a list using slicing. Lists are dynamic in size, which means no fixed length. Lists in Python do not have a fixed size, which means you can keep adding or removing elements dynamically. Now let's talk about list comprehensions. Instead of writing long for loops to generate lists, we can use a one-liner. In this example one, we can see square of numbers program without using list comprehension. Here we have used for loop to create list, square of this numbers list. And let us see the second example. In the second example, we are writing a square of numbers program using list comprehension. Instead of using for loops, we can write programs using list comprehension within few lines. Why list comprehensions means it's more readable and runs faster compared to traditional loops. Now let's explore some powerful list methods that will make your coding life easier. Firstly, append method. It adds a single element whereas extend method merges another list. And when we use insert method to add elements at a specific index and remove method to delete them. The pop method removes an element and returns it, whereas clear method wipes the entire list. And by using sort method, we can order our list and reverse method flips it. So in this video, we covered what lists are and why they are useful. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Python tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what list method you use the most. Thank you.